Sick of entering trades too early or too late? This strategy helps you catch high-probability reversals with clear, no-fluff signals. This setup combines two key tools: ATR Channels, dynamic support and resistance based on volatility; super signal indicator, pinpoints possible reversal zones with arrows. For a buy setup, price hits or dips below the lower ATR channel. A green super signal arrow appears. Enter on the next candle close. For a sell setup, price touches or exceeds the upper ATR channel. A red super signal arrow forms. Confirm and take the trade. Works great on 15-minute to 1-hour charts. Set your stop loss just beyond the ATR channel to allow for volatility, and always check higher time frames for trend alignment. It filters out bad signals fast. This strategy is simple, visual, and effective. Download the free indicators and ready-to-use template now at forexmt4indicators.com.